Hi guys, so GREATWALL Gardens phase 5 is officially like launched. It's been launched, it was launched yesterday, and they announced the prices, which is 2.9 million shillings, which I think is unbelievable. But I think the offer is going for a very short time. So at least I had the privilege of walking in there the other day, actually the day before yesterday, walking in there and seeing the showroom, seeing the houses. And guys, I think it's a good deal. I've been to phase 1, I've been to phase 2, and I've been to all the phases. And guys, what these guys did, like their first project, phase 1, they were very generous with the spaces. They were very generous with the windows. Like it's perfect. So those guys who actually got phase 1, initially those guys were the ones who hit the jackpot. But of course now things have become more expensive, the economy, and now because people see the value, then of course they are able to be cutting cost. But so anyway, I'm comparing phase 1 and the phase 5 that I saw. Phase 5 is slightly smaller compared to phase 1, but again 2.9 guys. 2.9 is no 2.9 is pretty good, and it's for, I'll walk you through the plan and I'll show you the house, because I took a video of the interior of the place. So guys, tell me if it's a good deal, if it's not a good deal. And guys, if this is just my personal opinion, I was trying to make sense out of all of it. Like I was calculating, because normally the houses at the river, for I don't know how much they'll be selling them, but normally like the 3-bedroom is 28k, and normally the 3 bedrooms house are around 28 to 30k, and the 2 bedrooms are around 25k. So this thing being a 3-bedroom, assuming you sell it, assuming you buy it and then you rent it out, which is what most people do, I was calculating, I was like the repayment period is around 10 years. That is for business, guys, keep that in mind. And is that like viable? You tell me. But I think it depends with where you're buying it and everything. That is for you. So tell me, is it viable or not according to you? Kindly comment on the section below, and guys, subscribe. Okay, so as you can see, it has 3 bedroom, it has a yard, and the total built up area is 104 meters square. And guys, let me take you inside. So that is a common bathroom. As you can see, I'll show you the living room, you guys relax. That's the common bathroom, which is a standard size. It's not such a bad size. And then that is the master bedroom. Guys, subscribe. I'm going to be taking a clearer video today, so subscribe and then you will see. That's the common sink. That is bedroom 2. Okay, and then directly opposite bedroom 2, we have bedroom 3. That is where you can, it can be, so it can be your master room, and then it can have a boys room and a girls room, or you can have the children stay in one room and the house girl stay in the other room. They have very good storage spaces, so the wardrobe are okay. I like that about them. So guys, as someone who's seen all these faces, I can actually see where they've cut costs. Like if you can see, that plywood they've put at the back of the wardrobes is not what is in phase 1, but it does the work. Okay. Something else that they've done, they've changed the tiles. The tiles in phase 1 and phase 2, they are pretty basic, but I think they went crazy for this phase 5. You can see those are the tiles, a bit different. At least they have some shade. Okay, so guys, that's the living room. That's the open plan kitchen. That's where you put your dining. And that's the lounge. Guys, tell me, would you consider buying it? Subscribe. Okay, so that's the price, as you can see, 2.9 guys, for sale, and the offer is valid from 15th to 23rd. So you guys chezeni kama nyinyi, okay, as fast as possible, because hizi vitu hazikaangi, like zinaekangwa for sale and boom 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 boom, people have bought them. So chezeni kama nyinyi and subscribe, okay.